To automatically enable exercise mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra when connected to your Gymplace Wi-Fi, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap exercise. Tap turn on automatically. Under suggested condition section, tap add condition. Under connection section, tap Wi-Fi network. Tap add. Select your Gymplace Wi-Fi network name. And then make sure to select connected. Tap done button to save your selection. And then tap done button again to save the change. With the setting, your Gymplace Wi-Fi network has been added as one of the exercise mode condition, which means when your phone is connected to your Gymplace Wi-Fi network, your phone will automatically enable exercise mode and apply its setting. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.